In less than 1 month, a resource for LGBTQ plus youth is going away. Right now, the 988 National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline has tailored support for that community, but it ends July 17th.
And the upcoming shift has advocates saying that these youth will have to rely on more local resources. Here's Scripps News Group's Abby Dodge.
The Trump administration announced the changes this week, adding it will no longer silo LGBT youth services. The 988 hotline has answered more than 14.5 million calls, texts, and chats since it was established in 2022. More than 1.2 million of those contacts were for the LGBTQI+ line.
And sometimes that number is the only one that answers.
Jay Moyer is an LGBTQ+ advocate. They've used 988. Moyer says losing a dedicated line for people in their community could be life or death.
I'm angry. I'm upset. It is clearly a direct attack on our community.
Jan Mars runs a local nonprofit called Speak Up. She started the mental health organization after she lost her daughter, Lane, to suicide. While her daughter wasn't a member of the LGBTQ+ community, Speak Up serves all young people in the metro, and it would be on groups like hers to step up.
Their organizations are going to have to find ways to fill the gaps that politics and budgets are creating to ensure that people get the resources they need.
Moyer said they're relying on local groups that offer specialized care and are thankful for the organizations that make their support of the LGBTQ+ community known.
When you're talking to someone who specifically understands some of the struggles that are, specific to being an LGBTQ person, then that can be life-saving. It can help you.
Abby Dodge, Scripps News Group.
So what local resources offer specialized support for LGBTQ plus youth? We found a few options. The LGBT Community Center of Greater Cleveland has a program called QU for ages 11 to 19. They describe it as a safe, affirming space for LGBT youth. There are weekly drop-in hours on Fridays. The center also offers walk-in support with access to referrals, basic needs items, and mental health support. The center also recommended Colors Plus Youth Center in Fairview Park. It offers therapy, support groups, and programming tailored to LGBT youth and their families. And the center directed us to the NAMI Greater Cleveland. This is not a LGBT-specific resource, but NAMI does offer support, including affirming care and advocates for inclusive mental health services. We have put links to all these organizations on our News 5 app and our website. And we also want to mention here another national hotline option. The Trevor Project has a 24/7 suicide hotline for LGBT youth. The number is 1-866-488-7386. You can also text START to the number 678-678. Their website also has an online chat feature, which we will link to. And we want to mention before we go here, a post has been circulating on social media claiming that Canada started a new toll-free suicide hotline for LGBT Americans in response to this change at 988. But that's not the case. The number being shared is for the Trans Lifeline for transgender individuals in Canada and North America and has been in operation since 2014.